This bulldozer is set to make a huge impact on the Yaounde 5 community by disenclaving rural roads and improving access for the population.
At the level of the rehabilitation of our internal roads within the quarters, we all know that many citizens are facing so many problems within the quarters because roads are very bad. Some of our citizens are dying on the road because they cannot be brought to the hospital because of the bad state, the bad level of our roads. There is insecurity because of a lack of good roads. So today we have this caterpillar which has been bought in order to solve this problem.
The event to welcome the bulldozer was held in the presence of Mfundi authorities who expressed their gratitude for this much needed addition to the council's arsenal of equipment. The bulldozer is expected to be a game changer in the community as it will help to clear obstacles. The mayor of the Yaounde 5 Council has promised to put the bulldozer to good use and ensure that it benefits the entire community. The council has also expressed its commitment to maintaining and servicing the machine regularly to ensure that it remains in a good working condition. Traditional rulers in the Yaounde 5 municipality were also present at the event to show their support and blessing to the mayor. The acquisition of this bulldozer is a positive step forward for the Yaounde 5 Council and its residents.